So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get stretch resolution in Fortnite for more FPS and less input delay. Before I get into this video, there's two methods that we're going to be doing today. One of them is necessary for stretch res in Fortnite, but the other one is not necessary, but recommended for less input delay. For the first method, we're just going to be doing display scaling. So first, what you want to do is click Windows and R. Then what you want to search up is %localappdata%. Click OK. Then you're going to be here. Then you want to scroll down until you find Fortnite game right here. Double click on it. Go to Saved, Config, then Windows Client. Then once you're here, you're going to see the game user settings. They're going to right click on game user settings, go to Properties, and make sure the game user settings is unchecked read only. And if it is checked, make sure to uncheck it. Click OK. And then once you've opened the game user settings, you want to scroll down until you find the resolution size X and Y. Then what you're going to want to do is change it to whatever resolution you want. For this video, I'm going to be showing 1680 by 1050. So you're just going to want to change them. Do the same for down here where it says desired screen width and last user confirmed desired screen width. Then once you're done with that, you can go up here to File and click Save. And once it's saved, you can click out of it and then right click Game User Settings again, go back to Properties, and make sure you check Read Only. Click Apply, OK. And then that's all you got to do for display scaling. And for the second method, which is GPU scaling, which will give you less input delay, you're going to want to right click your desktop screen, click Show More Options, NVIDIA Control Panel. Now please note, NVIDIA Control Panel only shows up for people with an NVIDIA graphics card or GPU. And if you can't find the NVIDIA Control Panel, you can try searching up NVIDIA Control Panel right here. Or you can go into the Microsoft Store and search up NVIDIA Control Panel and open it from here. And once you're in the NVIDIA Control Panel, make sure on Change Resolution, make sure your main monitor is selected right here. And then where it says Customize, you want to click that. Then once you're on this, make sure that this right here is checked. And then click Create Custom Resolution. And then in here, this is where you can actually create your custom resolution. And for this video, we're going to be using 1680 by 1050. Now you can make your own stretch res, but in my opinion, 1680 by 1050 is the best. And then once you're done with that, it's either going to be under PC like it is here for me, or it's going to be at the top where it says custom. And then to activate it, all you're going to want to do is click on it, click Apply, and click Yes. Once you have the stretch res on, you might have black bars. And to fix that, adjust desktop size and position, and make sure these settings are enabled. Full screen, perform scaling on GPU, and override the scaling mode set by games and programs. And now if you open up the game, you will have stretch resolution. Then once you're in the game, you're going to realize that you obviously have the stretch resolution on, but once you actually join a game, you'll realize that it will go back to the native resolution. But to prevent that from happening, you're going to want to go to your settings, make sure your window mode is on windowed full screen. Because for some reason on full screen mode, once you join the game, it automatically brings you back to the native resolution. So to fix that, just stay in windowed full screen. And to go back to the native resolution, which we want to do is go back to NVIDIA Control Panel and put it back to 1920 by 1080. And then after that, you want to go back to Windows R, Localappdata, Fortnite game, saved, config, Windows Client. Then we're going to make sure, go back to the properties on the game user settings, and uncheck read only, apply, OK. Open it, and then go back down to where it showed our resolution that we wanted, and change it back from what it was, back to 1920 by 1080. Then you can do that for all of these here and here. And after you change back, make sure that you go back to the properties, check read only, click apply, and then OK. Then you will be back to the native resolution. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.